Hello and welcome. If you're looking for professional product listing on your website, you're in the right place. Chear Business offers fully optimized and SEO-friendly listings. Let's take a look at how we do it.
This is the product title. A clear and attractive title grabs attention instantly. For example, Organic Hair Oil for Strong Hair. Here's where we write the full product details, benefits, how to use it, and everything the customer needs to know in a simple and convincing way. This section shows right below the product name. A sharp and useful short description helps customers decide faster. Choosing the right category is important for search and filtering. We select the most suitable one based on the product type. A clean and high-quality product image is key. It's the first thing customers notice. We make sure the image is original and well-optimized. The meta description shows on Google search. A good meta helps bring more clicks. We write it carefully using the best keywords. The meta description shows on Google search. A good meta helps bring more clicks. We write it carefully using the best keywords. We focus on both readability and SEO. Yes, green lights mean your content is well optimized and easy to understand. And this is the final listing. Clean, complete, and SEO ready. Want the same for your website? Contact Chear Business today. WhatsApp 0328 684 8461. Email chearbusiness@gmail.com.